Hello, kids. Let's learn the opposite words. Big, small, big elephant, small ant, happy, sad, star is happy, star is sad, hot, cold, tea is hot, ice is cold, tall, short, giraffe is tall, dog is short, fast, slow, rabbit is fast, turtle is slow, open, close, door is open, door is close, push, pull, man is pushing the car, man is pulling the rope, inside, outside, the dog is inside the box, the dog is outside the house, front, back, the dog is in front of tree, the dog is behind the tree, few, many. The opposite word of few is many. Stop, go. The opposite word of stop is go, dry, wet. The shirt is dry. The shirt is wet. The opposite of dry is wet. Sitting, standing. The opposite word of sitting is standing. Soft, hard. The opposite word of soft is hard. Full, empty. The opposite word of full is empty. Lazy, active. The opposite word of lazy is active. Left, right. The opposite word of left is right. Laugh, cry. The opposite word of laugh is cry. Healthy, sick. The opposite word of healthy is sick. Break, fix. The opposite word of break is fix. Sunny, cloudy. The opposite word of sunny is cloudy. Hey kids, hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.